So I'm going to be defining a function. So a function consists of many parts. So let's first get into its core, a function definition. Now, here's an example of one. So it's def function underscore name, you have the parentheses and then a semicolon. Or sorry, just a regular colon. So there are some key components that we'll be able to take note here. The def keyword indicates the beginning of a function, also known as the function header. The function header is followed by a name in snake case format that describes the task function performs. It's best practice to give your functions a descriptive yet concise name. Now, following the function name is a pair of parentheses that holds the input values known as parameters. More on parameters will be more in the lesson. So in the example function, we have no parameters. And then a colon to mark the end of the function of the header. Lastly, we have one or more valid Python statements that make up the function body, where we have our Python comment. Now notice we've indented the hashtag function taskle here comment. Like loops and conditionals, code inside a function must be indented to show that they are part of the function. Here's an example of a function that greets a user for our trip. So definition, so def, trip welcome, and then welcome to Trip Academy. Let's get to your destination. Note, pasting this code into the editor and clicking run will result in an empty output terminal. The print statement within the function will not execute since our function hasn't been used. We'll explore further this into the next exercise. For now, let's practice defining a function. So two of the most common New York City attractions include the Empire State Building and Times Square. In travel.py, we'll write a function that prints the directions via subway from the Empire State Building to Times Square. First, let's define a function. So we're going to just go ahead and define this function. Okay, with the colons. And note when we run the code, we will see a syntax error. Yep, and unexpected EOF while parsing. This will occur when we don't populate a function with any statements. We'll populate it in the next step. E of F stands for end of file. Python is telling you that it was expecting some code in the body of the function, but it hit end of the file first. Now within the body of the function, use the three print statements to print out the following. Right, so the print, and then another print, and then we can put this one, and then we can do another print with the last one, get off the times the square. Okay. Remember, if you run the code, you still don't see any input or output. You shouldn't see any output in the terminal at this point. Check out the hint if you want to see how the output will be looking like. We'll be doing it in the next section as well. So a little spoiler, if you just write the name of the function and run it, it should print it out. Let's see, directions. Let's see. Yeah, it should print it out. Okay. There you go. Now it should print it out. Perfect. Yeah, because indentation in Python matters a lot. But yeah, that's gonna do it right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one, and have a great day.